So hello everyone, I'm your photography tutor. So welcome to my channel. So in this video I'll be talking about the 5 tips for smartphone photography for the beginners. So if you are a beginner smartphone photographer, don't miss this video. And there will be a bonus point at the end of the video. So watch the video till the end and subscribe to my channel. So let's get started, guys. The first tip is turn on the gridline while you're taking a picture. So open your camera, go to the settings and enable the gridline. So what are actually the benefits of opening a gridline? So if you open a gridline or enable a gridline, it will be helpful during taking picture and it will be really helpful during composing a picture. Composition is the mother of photography. Composition is how you actually place out subject within your frame. In composition, there is a term called rule of third, which is very important in composition or really important in photography. If you enable this option, the gridline will help you in composition. The second tip is tap on the subject that you want to take picture. So when you actually select a subject to take a picture, you need to tap on the subject on your screen. So when you tap on the subject you want to take picture on the screen, the camera is the subject and it really tries to boost up the quality of the subject in the picture. So in such a way, the camera tries to make the best possible picture of the subject. The third point is don't zoom in if your camera doesn't have optical zoom capability. If your camera doesn't have optical zooming capability and you zoom in during taking a picture, you will lose some details. So what you can do, you can take the picture as a normal, then you can crop the picture as you want. So in both cases you will lose some details, but if you crop the picture, in that case you will have the freedom to crop the picture according to your will. So it will be really helpful during composing a picture. 4 tip is try to shoot at manual mode. Now in some mobile phone it is called pro mode or professional mode, in some phones it's called manual mode. So why you should take in manual mode? Because manual mode is the professional mode, and if you want to be a professional photographer or want to be a master in photography, you need to know how actually camera works and how the manual mode works. So this is the best practice to take a picture in manual mode. So if you take a picture in manual mode, you have the freedom to change the exposure, the focal point and white balance as well. So in such case you will understand how those things work and you will be a master photography, and that will be really helpful in the future. The number 5 tip is try to use a tripod. Now this is an optional point, but if you try to take a picture with a tripod, it is really helpful for you because you don't have a very stable hand. But if you have a very stable hand, that's different thing. But someone told the most stable hand is even less stable than the most tripod, so it's better to use a tripod. And the smartphone photography, I mean the tripod for smartphones doesn't cost much. It's around $3 to $4 highest, and you will get it very easily from the nearest super shop. So it's better to use a tripod. And the bonus point is talking about really makes a difference between a professional photographer and a beginner photographer is try to shoot in raw mode. So what actually happens in raw mode, you actually get a picture what actually camera is seeing. What happens is auto mode, that picture format is JPG. So in JPEG mode, the picture loses details and some quality as well. And so if you try to shoot at raw mode, you will have the much freedom during post-processing. And for post-processing, raw mode is one kind of must. And if you want to be a master of photography, or if you see how actually the professional photographers do or take pictures, they actually take pictures in raw mode. That's all from me. So hope you see in the next video and please subscribe my channel. That's all from me. Thank you.